Hello, I'm James Alexander with East Coast Truck and Trailer Sales. We have a Peterbilt 389 here with a Cottrell 80-foot CX-9. This is some of our optional upgrades we can do for your truck, and we like to go through the list. We've installed LED halo headlights. We've added a custom chrome bug shield, a drop visor. We've installed an 18-inch American Eagle bumper and have added dual revolution lights. Here you can see our custom mill light package with dual revolution lights. You'll see here the chrome window trim we have added. CX-09 LSFA chrome trailer package kit and the chrome head rack package kit. This is called the Nite system, a heating and air system for the bunk. Runs off of its own dedicated batteries. You'll notice the top vent is for the AC, the bottom vent is for the heat. Right here we have the control station where you can go from AC to heat, and it also has fan control as well. And here are where we locate the batteries for the Nite system. Using this battery operated Nite system, you're able to run the heating and air at night or whenever you need with the truck turned off, eliminating a lot of idling, saving fuel, saving wear and tear on the engine, and really putting money back into your pocket. As you can see, these are some of the optional upgrades we can do for you here at East Coast Truck and Trailer Sales. Thank you for hanging out with us today. I'm James Alexander. Give us a call.